and Saorecanism, the branch of Christianity which has its own doctrines, theology, principles, teachings, instructions, guidelines, principles, and practice. Tenedradis is the fundamental divine revelation of the original nature, essence, source, and existence of the Holy Trinity. Here's the Tenedradis. For God himself said, "This is my word, and this word is me. My word will accomplish my will, and my word will do whatever I would want him to do. My word is the living life, and my word gives the living life. My word is the truth, the living food, and the living water. My word is the sword, the double-edged sword, the log, the stick, the source, and the original foundation of all things. My word will reign forever. I call my word my only begotten Son. I command this word to become as I am. God also said, "This is my spirit. This my spirit is mine, and my spirit is me. My spirit is holy, and my spirit knows all things." My spirit is holy, and my spirit knows all things. I command my own spirit to become as I am and to act with as